Hello, welcome to a Manaflow use case demo. Today we'll be going through a use case with trucking logistics where you input your object info, you input your initial address, final address, and you're able to figure out what truckers are in your departure area and arrival area to get from point A to point B. So as you can see here, there's a list of instructions. We have client info, as you can see, dependencies. We also have object info, and they have, you enter your client's information as they're both inputs. The initial address, which is also input, departure airport, which is also another input. And basically, there's just a three-letter code. And basically, what we're able to do here is we put in the inputs, and Manaflow is able to execute and find the departure truckers and arrival truckers, which are essentially the outputs. Yeah, so basically, as you can see here, we have final address. It's going to be 1000 Fifth Avenue, New York, and initial address is 580 San Francisco. And as you can see, the two columns we have populated truckers, and then also a Boolean value, which is email sent. So let's make a new row. So I'm going to put in my client info. I'm just going to put my email. I'm going to put in the object. So it's going to be a 2 kilogram boba. I'm going to get it from TPT Irvine, one of my favorite boba shops. And then LAX, and I'm going to ship it to another address, probably in San Francisco, the TPT in San Francisco. And we're going to create a new row. Okay, cool. So now we've created a row, and what we're going to do is we see that it populated, and we're going to press execute manage sheet in just a moment. Basically, what execute manage sheet will do is it will start running the task, and you can see it's like an agent running in a row. The spinning wheel basically indicates that the task is running, and it's starting to populate the information based on the column instructions. So each column in that manage sheet has a set of instructions. As you can see here, it's fully editable, and you're also able to edit the dependencies and also the type of, is it text or is it Boolean or number? You're able to do it, or even object. So let's let it load. It takes a bit of time to load as we do run the cell. And yeah, I mean, I can talk about some other features, but basically, as you go along, as you can see now, email sent is also started loading, which means it's progressing into that stage as well. And eventually, it will completely populate. And yeah, we have some features. This is actually a pinned manage sheet, as you can see on the top left. It's starred, and you're able to pin manage sheets that you want to save into your manage sheets section of the sidebar. And that way you can save whatever manage sheet. There's also, okay, as you can see now it's populated, but there's also a form which allows you to input as well. But let's check our Gmail after we got all the information. As you can see here, we have the object, you have the initial address, departure airport, arrival airport, final address, departure truckers with the list of all the truckers, and some of like their emails that got scraped, and their phone numbers, and also the arrival truckers that you can call. So this is useful for someone that's running a shipping business. Thank you.